Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about budget friendly kitchen design tips. First, kitchen laminate. You can always opt for laminate instead of PU or acrylic finish. And the laminate sheets, it looks like the PU. And second is granite. So you can always go for granite countertop instead of quartz and marble as they are heat and scratch resistant. Third, do not opt for swing corner. Use simple corners as they are more affordable than swing corners. Fourth, tandem penetrate unit. Do not opt for tandem ones. Use simple ones if you are renovating your kitchen under budget. Fifth, rolling shutters. Do not opt for rolling shutters as they're more expensive. Use simple cabinet where you can keep your appliances. Sixth, organizers. You can order from Amazon simple organizers, backboards, or for your cutlery organizers under budget. And lastly, you can use acrylic sheet instead of fluted glass. Fluted glass is more expensive than acrylic sheet. Save this and subscribe for more.